Get a feel for the 2018 Tesla Model 3. Enjoy a view of this future-forward Tesla Model 3, the midsize EV sedan that's quick, smooth, and silent. With a firm ride, a suite of standard driver assist safety features, and mesmerizingly modern style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the chance to drive this stunning Model 3. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.